Hey y'all, hi, Amanda here, and today we are filming my October Medusa's makeup subscription. But before we get into that, I did want to show you guys I am wearing the Medusa's Makeup Liquid Lipstick Matte in the color Vixen, which came in last month's subscription, and it is a beautiful color. I think I need to wait till my hair is at my full pastel goodness and maybe wear an outfit that actually goes with this lipstick to see if it's really for me. On first glance, it does feel like it's not working with my hair, with this dress, but I think I need to give it a fair shot with a outfit that's more suited to it. But it is a beautiful color, very beautiful. It does feel like kind of a drying feeling, but not like it's gonna suck the life out of my lips, just like it's gonna be very matte after this last little bit in the middle finishes drying. But it's really pretty, really pretty. So that is that. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what came in the October subscription. By some miracle, we only have one flyer this month, thank goodness. I'm getting real sick of getting tons of paper. And first of all, it is gorgeous. Hello, that's beautiful. The lips and the cute little skulls and the design. And it looks like we have 5 products this time around, a value of $75. Though it says 6, so there must be a freebie in there. But yeah, valued at $75. We're getting a palette, which is really exciting. So, as always, just when I get rid of my last baggie, I end up with another one. So, let's open her up and see what all came in here. I'm going to take it all out of the baggie. Okay, so let's look at this palette first because that's kind of exciting. So it says the palette is a $22 value. It is in some nice packaging. Let's get it out of this packaging. Come on out. I'm really bad with packaging and getting things out. Okay, that packaging was impossible to get this out of, but now that it's out, it is a really beautiful kind of lavender compact with imagery of Medusa on the front. It's very beautiful. And then just some ingredient information on the back. Really pretty. Then we open it up. It has a little clear sheet on it, and it's got a mirror, and the colors, look how beautiful that is. I don't think I'm gonna swatch all these, but you know what? Whatever, ELO, we're gonna swatch them all. We're gonna swatch them all. Let's just do it. I don't have names to give you though. It does not appear as though these colors have names. So I'm just gonna go first row, second row, third row. Let's get going. Okay, so I realized the way I swatched is probably going to be upside down compared to the palette. So just, you know, think of it like that. As you can see, the mattes seem to be most pigmented. The shimmers seem to be a little on the lighter side. You're gonna have to build those up or put them over a base or just use them as toppers. Especially up here, these shimmers quite sheer, but you know what? The color story is really beautiful. So I'm really excited that we got a palette this month. I don't typically wear colors like that, but I'm kind of excited to play with them, especially that neon matte yellow is really yellow. I'm losing my mind. That is pink. I was just talking to my friends about yellow eyeliner, so that's on my mind. Anyway, that neon matte pink is really beautiful. I think that'd make a really cool like eyeliner. So very excited to get to play with this. Next we have, I guess this is a chapstick. Let's see, Medusa's Makeup Watermelon Vegan Lip Balm. So yeah, just a little lip balm. It's clear. Nothing too crazy there. And this is a $10 value. Okay, no it's not. This is not a $10 value. This is a glorified lip smacker. So that's kind of an inflation of the value right there. But It's always nice to get a chapstick. Next we have the Medusa's Makeup Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss. And this is in the color Super Freak. Did we get Super Freak in something before? Hold on, I'm gonna check. Okay, so we have gotten Super Freak before, which is actually pretty disappointing. I don't like doubles. I knew it was bound to happen. You guys have told me you've received doubles or you've seen doubles in my videos of things you've gotten before. But we have gotten Super Freak before, so I'll go ahead and swatch you with the one that is actually mine that's open. I'm going to give this extra one to a friend who I think is going to quite like this color. So there it is, right there. Just a really pretty pinky leaning sheer gloss. That's kind of annoying. I don't know why they would send something they've already sent in a previous subscription, so don't love that. The next item is from Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics, and it is their Luna Night Liquid Luminizer. Their packaging is really pretty. I don't know if you'll be able to see all the details, but that's really pretty packaging. Let's get it open and take a look. Ugh, okay, there's plastic on it. Give me a minute. Here is the little tube. Let's see if we can get a little swatch of the product. It's probably gonna have to go on my wrist. Oh, it's like pink leaning. This is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna leave it very thick on my wrist so you can see like the shimmer really concentrated. It's like this beautiful pink shimmer. So beautiful. I think I love that. Does this have a name? Yeah, it's in Rose Halo. So that is really pretty. Right there. That's gorgeous. That's very, very exciting. What a pretty luminizer. And the last item. Oh, I don't think I've been giving you prices. Before we get into this, let's see. The Super Freak Lip Gloss is $14. The Illuminizer is $19. I told you the price of the chapstick and other item. This thing I'm about to show you is $10 value. This is a eyeshadow brush. Just a nice standard like paddly eyeshadow brush. It feels very synthetic. I think this would probably be really good with creams. And it's got the really pretty crystal handle. I love getting a brush. Love it. So excited about that. I feel like the way that this feels, the texture, I feel like this is going to be a very versatile one. Very interesting and versatile. So that's all the products that came in here. I don't know if maybe they're counting the bag as your 6th beauty product, but if they are, that's kind of whack because I don't want this lame ass bag. But let's take stock of this month's box because it has high highs and low lows. Getting something they've already sent before, not cool. Not cool at all. Also, I mean, I'm happy to get another chapstick, but let's not say this is worth $10 at all. This is probably worth $2. So these are kind of meh to me. On the other hand, the Jelly Pong Pong product is gorgeous. Always happy to get a brush. And we got a full palette. So like I said, low lows and high highs in this box. This is very exciting. So I feel like I have to rate this somewhere in the middle of the pack. It's definitely not an A. I can't give it an A when there's a double that got sent. It's probably a B minus, to be honest. Things could have been better here. And this had the potential to be a really all-star box. Well, subscription. But this really burns my toast. So that is what I think of this new Medusa's Makeup subscription for October. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Let me know how you'd grade this one, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!